Meet the Acoma Crape Myrtle, a compact, multi-stemmed beauty that lights up your garden with dazzling white flowers and year-round bark interest. Perfect for small spaces, patios, and container gardens. This low-maintenance tree thrives in full sun and is drought-tolerant once established. With midsummer to early fall blooms, the Acoma Crape Myrtle attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding life and charm to any garden. For best growth, plant in well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral soil. Water consistently during dry spells, but once established, this tree tolerates drought well. Pruning is simple. Remove dead or crowded branches in late winter or early spring to maintain a compact, bushy shape and encourage more blooms. Want to grow more? Take cuttings in late spring or early summer. Apply rooting hormone and keep them in warm, humid conditions until roots develop. Growing in pots is easy. Just choose a container with good drainage, use a proper potting mix, and provide at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. In colder zones, protect the roots with mulch and the trunk from harsh winds. In mild zones, minimal care is needed. The Acoma Crape Myrtle is relatively trouble-free, though keep an eye out for aphids, scale, Japanese beetles, or mildew. Proper spacing, pruning, and care prevent most issues. With its stunning white blooms, peeling bark, and easy care, the Acoma Crape Myrtle adds elegance and year-round interest to any garden, perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Explore more plant guides and care tips on growcycle.com and bring beauty to your garden today.